Hello, we are at 999 Bush, and this is apartment 406. So right when you open up the front door of the studio, you come into the main room. Hardwood floors throughout, except for the bathroom, which you'll see has tile. Okay. This unit has a kitchenette, white cabinets above and below the counter, built-in microwave, got a 4-burner cooktop, kitchen sink, quartz countertops, okay, and a fridge. Got a big shelf here all along the top. And then when you pass through this area, you come to the full bath. Shower over tub, tile surround. Okay, got a nice big mirrored bathroom vanity. Okay, black granite countertop and a cabinet here underneath the bathroom sink. The floor in here looks like hardwood, but it is in fact tile in the bathroom. Okay, and window for ventilation. Hi everyone. This opens up, of course, shelves inside here, okay? All right. Passing back into the main room. It is a corner unit. This window is facing south, and this window is facing east. So it gets nice light. And in terms of the bed size here, I think you could do a full or a queen size bed best. And then we do have a closet here. Okay, so that is a quick look at the unit. I look forward to showing you the apartment. And again, this was 999 Bush and apartment 406. Thanks for watching.